Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open YouTube TV, sign into the account that holds the recording, and go straight to Library. This is where all your DVR items live. Once there, use the search box or the show's filter to pinpoint the exact program, because deleting the wrong episode is irreversible for that item. Make sure you are on the correct profile if multiple users share the account. This avoids confusion and keeps your personal DVR separate. Once you've landed on the show, select the episode or choose the series level option if you want every future and past recording removed. Tap the three-dot menu or long press the episode to open actions, then choose delete or remove recording. This step matters because deleting at series level removes all future recordings too, so if you only want one episode, pick that single item. After selecting delete, you will be prompted to confirm the deletion when prompted, then wait a moment so the change syncs across devices. The DVR update is usually quick, but can take a few seconds. After that, refresh the library or restart the app to verify the recording is gone. If it still appears, make sure you deleted it from the correct profile, then sign out and back in or clear the app cache to force a resync. If problems persist, try deleting from a different device to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.